Okay, continue with the same unit. Description of motion in 2 and 3 dimensions. Okay, in that question number 54, an object of mass 3 kg is at rest. A force of F is equals to 6 vector I t square plus 4 vector j t is applied. The velocity of the object at t is equals to 3 seconds each. Okay, that means what? Given mass is equals to 3 kg, okay, and the vector F is given. Vector F is equals to 6 vector I t square plus 4j t, and the velocity of the object, we have to calculate the velocity of object is equals to how much? When we calculate the velocity of object, when t is equals to 3 seconds. Okay, that means what? We have to calculate the velocity when the force and the mass is known to you or given to you. Okay, for calculating the velocity, which formula is useful for calculating the velocity? When the mass and the force is given, simple, F is equals to, select a formula which is having the parameter velocity, force and mass. For that purpose, vector F is equals to m dv by dt. Okay, and m dv by dt. Vector F is equals to how much? Vector F is equals to 6 vector I t square plus 4j t is equals to, mass is 3 kg, 3 into dv divided by dt. Okay, next we have to calculate what? Velocity. Therefore dv is equals to this dt, and 3 dt is multiplied by this equation and 3 is dividing to this equation. Okay, therefore if we divide by the 3, that means 2i t square plus 2j t, okay, into dt. Okay, now we have to calculate the velocity. Okay, and we get the equation is in the form of dv. Okay, how to calculate the velocity from dv? Simply by integrating this equation. Okay, integrating on both sides. If we integrate this dv, then integration and d get cancel. We get what? Simple v. Okay, integration of dv is equals to 2i is constant, integration of t square into dt plus again 2j is constant, integration of t into dt. Okay, integration and derivative get cancel. Therefore v is equals to 2i, integration of t square, it is t cube divided by 3. Okay, plus 2j, integration of t, it is t square by 2. Okay, which formula is used there? It is integration of x raised to the power, integration of x raised to the power n dx is equals to what? X raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, by using this formula we can calculate the integration of t square and t. Okay, after that put the value of t. T is equals to 3 seconds. Given t is equals to 3 seconds. Therefore 2i 2 square, given it is 3. Okay, 3 cube it is 27. 27 by 3 it is 9. Okay, plus 2j, t square it is 4. 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Sorry, 3. 3 square 9. 9 divided by 2. Okay, here it is this 3. Okay, okay, sorry, here the one mistake, it is 4 divided by 3, how much it is? 4 by 3. Okay, continue with 4 by 3. Okay, so it is 4 by 3 is constant. constant. Okay, so 4 by 3j into t square, it is 3 square, it is 9 divided by dou. Okay, again v is equals to, therefore v is equals to 18i plus 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, therefore how much it is? 6j. Okay, that means what we get? V is equals to 18i plus 6j. Okay, so which option number is correct for this? Option number D is correct. Okay, okay, next question number 55 is taken as homework. Question number 56. Okay, question number 56, a projectile is projected with initial velocity v is equals to 6i plus 8j meter per second. If g is equals to 10 meter per second square, then the horizontal range is. Okay, we have to calculate the horizontal range. Velocity is given to you or known to you. V is equals to 6i plus 8j, and we have to calculate what? Horizontal range. Okay, so how to calculate the horizontal range? The formula for calculating the horizontal range, it is r is equals to v square sine 2 theta divided by g. Okay, that means this formula can be written as 2v sine theta into v cos theta divided by g. Okay, so simply first calculate v cos theta and v sine theta. Given it is what? V. This is the velocity is given is in vector form. Convert it into magnitude form. If we take the mod of this vector form, under root of what? 6 square plus 8 square. Okay, is equals to what? 10 meter per second. 6 square it is 36 and 8 square it is 64. 100 under root of 100 it is 10. Okay, this equation can be compared with mod of vector v is equals to v cos theta square plus v sin theta square. This component it is the I, that means this 6 it is v cos theta. Okay, and next v cos theta is equals to what? 6, and v sin theta is equals to 8. Okay, and g it is 10. Given g it is 10 meter per second square. Simply put the values of v cos theta, v sin theta and g is in equation number 1. Okay, so by putting the values of v cos theta, v sin theta and g, we get what? Horizontal range. Okay, 2 is as it is, v cos theta it is 6, v sin theta it is 8 divided by 10. Okay, so 12 and this one it is 8. Therefore r is equals to 9.6. Okay, 9.6 meter. Okay, so for that question number 56, which option number is correct? Option number B is correct. Okay, okay, take next question. Question number 57, a projectile is projected in vacuum at an angle of theta, then square of the time it takes to reach the highest point shall be. Okay, That means what? A projectile is projected in vacuum at an angle theta, then the square of time t square it takes to reach the highest point shall be. Okay, we have to calculate what? T square. Okay, and options are given is in the form of 2 by 2g times height, 2 by g times height, g times and g by 2 times height. Okay, that means we have to calculate that this t square is in the form of g. Okay, so how to calculate it? Simple, we have to calculate the height. What is the height formula for h? H is equals to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. And what is the formula for time of flight? T is equals to u sine theta divided by g. Okay, therefore we have to calculate what? T square. Simply squaring on both sides to this equation. T square is equals to u square sine square theta divided by what? G square. Okay, next t square is equals to u square sine square theta upon g square. Okay, if we, this is equation number 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2, divide 2 by 1, we get t square divided by h is equals to what? U square sine square theta divided by g square, and h it is u square sine square theta divided by 2g. U square sine square theta, u square sine square theta get cancel. Okay, g square, this one it is 2g. Okay, sorry, not a g square, t, this one g square and t square, g and g get cancel. Okay, then t square by h is equals to what? 2 divided by g. Therefore t square is equals to 2 by g times height. Okay, therefore the square of time to reach the highest point, it is 2 by g times height. Okay, therefore which option number is correct? Option number D is correct. Okay.